Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Anjali. So today I'm going to talk about what are the things you can do instead of scrolling. I know that there are so many people who waste their hours in scrolling, and sometimes a whole day, they waste the whole day in scrolling unnecessarily. So today I'm going to talk about what are the things you can do instead of scrolling, and I'm not going to just tell. I'm also going to show you how I have been doing all of these things. So the first one is you can sketch. So I love sketching. So I do a lot of sketching. So you can just start sketching. You will also find some videos available on the internet. So it will become easy for you to do sketch as a beginner. So try sketching. If you're a beginner, no, don't worry. Just sketch for yourself for spending time instead of scroll. Then you can paint. So playing with color is a time for me, and you can have a lot of fun. You can paint, and then you can also stick those paintings on your wall. So it will all going to save your time, and you will also learn something. Then you can do journaling. So what happened? We just whenever we are idle, we waste our time in overthinking. Then we pick up our phone and start scrolling. Don't do that. This instead of just take a diary and start tracking all your thoughts. And you can also maintain that diary for a whole year. Whenever you feel like you're overthinking a lot, or you are thinking about stuff you should not, you can just write that in that time. Then you can do scrapping. So I have just started scrapping. Like I'm a beginner, and I really enjoy scrapping. It's a fun way to keep memories, and you can spend your day in scrapping, and it's a nice practice. I started scrapping now, like few days mm, ago. So I like scrapping, and you can do as well. It's a good way to make memories. Then you can read books. Reading books is a good habit, and at least you can switch that habit with your scrolling. So whenever you feel like scrolling, just keep pick up the book. You should always keep a book with yourself. Whenever you feel like you are idle or you don't have anything to do, just leave that book. Don't pick your phone. Instead of that, you pick your book. So you can read books as well. Let's start with the books you like. Don't just read books which other will suggest you. As a beginner, you should read books that you like. If you like romance, you should start with romance. And if you like adventure, then you should start with adventure books. So read books which you personally like, not that others suggest you. Then you can do meditation. So whenever you feel uneasy, you in the early morning, instead of just after waking up and just scrolling and just scrolling, don't do that after waking up. Instead, you do meditation. So meditation will also help you to improve your productivity. You will feel more productive the whole day, and you will not be like a lazy person. So do meditation instead of scrolling. It will also going to help you. It will also going to improve your mental health. So you can do that. Then mandala. So mandala is a nice practice. It also improves focus and concentration. So I have been doing mandala for a long time, and I am telling you guys, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. I just love that art art form. I have done a lot of time. I just love it. I just love making mandala. A lot of time I make two of them simultaneously. Then you can apply henna. Like this is for girls, but nowadays boys are also applying henna. So you can try. If boys want to skip, then skip it. Like for girls, you can do henna as well. It's a nice practice. You can apply it on your hands. Not harder one, but you can do simple hennas, which is available on internet. So I do henna on my hands, and then sometimes on my mother's hand. I just love doing that. Then you can also do embroidery. I'm not that good at embroidery, but sometimes I just if I want or if I like to. Like I most of the time I just skip this, but sometimes if I just want to do this, I do. So you can also do embroidery if you want to. It's a good practice. Like it's a girly kind of practice. Boys can also do that. Then you can make rangolis at your home. I know that I'm telling all of these habits of a girl, but boys can do as well. So rangoli is a good thing. You can just draw a picture and just fill it with colorful rangoli colors, and you can do that. Then dance. So Personally, I just love dancing, and whenever I feel like dancing, I just play a song and I just started dance. I just love that. I love that. I am just grateful for the body God has given me, and I just enjoy this body. So you can dance, and if you don't like club, you can sing or listen to music. You can do that as well. Listen to so many music, calm music, which will help you to be more focused. So these are the things you can do instead of scrolling, and try to include all of these things in your daily life if possible. So include all of these things. So you can also record yourself. So whenever I feel like I should record myself, I record videos. So you can also record if you want. Just keep it secret. Don't share it with anyone. You can do in your free time. So this is also a kind of hobby you can include instead of scrolling. So record yourself whenever you feel like, and write letter to yourself or your loved ones. So whenever I have a time or instead of school, I just start writing letters to my loved ones and to myself. So I just keep them secret. I don't share it with anyone, but I write them whenever I feel like. I just pick up one person, like mother or anybody, siblings, and I just started writing letter to them. You can do that as well. So these are the things you can do instead of schooling. So just next time while doing schooling, remember that you have a lot of things to do. So do this all of these things instead of schooling. And thank you so much.